everybody, Danny here. Hey, I'm doing a special request for a dear friend by the name of Jennifer. She asked if I could do a polar bear, and I thought, that sounds like a thing I can do, and it's going to make a good lesson series. So let's head on over to Easel and get started with Jennifer's bear. I'll meet you there. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to call this painting Jennifer's bear because this is a request from a friend, and so I'm going to do it in lesson form, but I want everybody to know that my friend Jennifer has requested a polar bear, for goodness sakes. Okay, now you can see it's upside down, and the reason is I want the paint to flow for the sky. I want the paint to float away from the bear. You see how it flows? I want it to flow that way and not onto the bear, because the bear has got to have some really bright white outline, and I'm not going to get it if the paint flows into him. So very carefully, we'll put the paint in and we'll let it flow away. So remember that if you're painting something, watercolor, and you don't want it to flow into a specific area, just turn the thing upside down and let it flow away, okay? So tomorrow we'll work on these trees, and I'll catch my breath, and we'll have some more fun with Jennifer's bear. Now right here, I'm going to lift some of that up because this is a kind of a bright spot in the painting. Okay, there we go. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, leave comments, and as always, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. I'd say we're off to a pretty good start. Tomorrow we'll work on tree and maybe get something else done. I don't know, but we're going to have fun. So be with me tomorrow, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.